Step into the creative sanctuary of Alick Macheso, Zimbabwe's undisputed King of Sungura, as we present a deep dive into Alick's magic in the studio. Witness the entrancing journey of how musical masterpieces come to life, from raw thought to chart-topping hits. Behind each rhythmic note and eloquent lyric lays an emotional story that forms the fundamental foundation of his music. As we peel back these layers, we showcase Alick's unique creative process that shines a beacon of innovative songwriting. This guided tour into the machine that fuels the maestro's creativity demonstrates the collision of epic passion with breathtaking artistry. So hold on to your seats as we embark on this musical voyage, bathing in the incredible sea of inspiration that births Alick's magical harmonies. Introducing Alick Macheso, a living testament to resilience, whose love for music turned into a lighthouse during the storm for his fans. When others folded before life's adversity, he played on. Every note, every beat telling a story of strength and persistence. Born in dire poverty, Alick's journey was full of obstacles, from his humble start as a fruit vendor to societal rejections. But his passion for music, his guitar, was his companion through it all. His melodies rose above the noise of hardship, echoing hope for the hopeless. His music became their escape, their solace. It became a rhythm they danced to when words failed to express their emotions. Staying true to his roots, his music spoke the language of the underprivileged, making it the anthem of those who dared to dream. This captivating story of triumph brings to light an undeniable fact. Passion, when coupled with that, sweeping the stage with his legendary energy, Alick Macheso's music has been stirring hearts for decades, yet not many know the depth of dedication placed into his creations. Each lyric fine-tuned, each melody carefully crafted. Our journey begins in the midst of a vibrant recording session, where we witness the magic unfold. Crafting hits, the Macheso way unveils the unique recording process behind his unforgettable tracks. Watch as he jams and jovially interacts with fellow musicians, shaping his music into perfectly harmonized compositions. Discover the passion behind each line penned, as captivating stories mirrored from real-life adventures. This is a journey into the heart of one man's undying love for music, a tour de force into the authentic and inspirational world of Alick Macheso. Get ready to dance to the rhythm of the Macheso way, where music is more than just sound. It's a heartfelt story.